Today, we'll be showing how DDN enables a one-click high-performance RAG pipeline for enterprise use. Our RAG pipeline solution is enterprise class and easy to deploy for use in any environment, whether NCP cloud, hyperscaler cloud, and of course, on-prem. Let's take a closer look at the architecture. This RAG pipeline solution is made of several NVIDIA NIM within the NVIDIA NeMo framework. These NIM host embedding, reranking, and LLM models and a MILV vector database. We have a front-end chatbot for input, output, and control, and at the core, a DDN Infinia cluster, which in this case has about 3/4 of a petabyte capacity. In this case, Infinia is specifically the backend for the MILV vector database. Infinia's AI-optimized architecture, in conjunction with using cuVS, accelerates one of the hardest tasks in the pipeline, NVIDIA GPU indexing. This solution, using an NVIDIA AI data platform reference design, provides an easy-to-use workflow and tools to create a custom knowledge base, which is used to extend the capabilities of an LLM foundation model. For this demonstration, we're going to build a knowledge base for the Infinia product itself, so we can ask questions about specific features of Infinia. At this point, no data has been ingested. The knowledge base is empty. So let's ask the chatbot a question to see how it responds using just the foundational model. We'll ask the chatbot, "Can you tell me about the DDN Infinia CLI hardware management features?" And it responds with a somewhat generic answer. It appears to be more oriented to a generic CLI hardware reference, and it would be hard to tell if this is specific to Infinia or not. Let's go ahead and quickly and easy ingest some specific knowledge about Infinia. In this case, we're going to grab the installation and admin guide and the CLI reference guide. Once the data is ingested and indexed, we can repeat the question. Of note, the one-click RAG pipeline supports multiple foundation models, so you can choose which one to use to optimize for your type of queries. Let's go ahead and choose the same ChatGPT 4o model that we used the first time. And we repeat the question. Can you tell me about the DDN Infinia CLI hardware management features? We wait just a few seconds, and now that's much better. We can see a detailed response here, including Red CLI drive, Red CLI NIC, and Red CLI server. And not only the top-level commands, but details about how to use the various subcommands within each hardware category. From experience, I know this to be an accurate response that maps to the question that we asked. Because of the integration between DDN Infinia and NVIDIA NeMo Retriever, as well as NVIDIA cuVS, the result is a faster time to results, both for responses to queries, how fast you can update your data sets to keep your information current, and how fast you can deploy a pre-built custom chatbot for your various enterprise needs.